Hi, I'm Mohammed Umar. Nawa Architect has been providing reliable solutions to the most complex designing challenges to clients they are facing today. We are recognized as a reliable architect for our strength in traditional designing methods and our creative, fresh approach to cutting edge technologies and delivering systems. Our expertise spans the designing industry spectrum from smaller renovations. We specialize in commercial buildings, bungalows, educational, residential, commercial villas, schools, hotels, hospitals, shopping malls, and internal projects such as interior interlocking work. Our team of designing professionals also offers single-source solution for all of your designing-related needs, whether it's restoration, site preparation, a new faculty renovation. We have the experience and personnel to provide the highest quality architecture, structural, and 3D designing on schedule and within your budget. We support our clients from project online inception. In view of the above, I am contacting you. If you have any requirements regarding the aforementioned architectural related works, please contact us at the following contact numbers. We will be glad to serve you to your satisfaction. In fact, client satisfaction is our happiness. Please find attached our profile for consideration, information and record, please. Address, Office Number 2, First Floor, Rainbow Hotel, Kadabad, Landi, Karachi. Phone 0315 8319 151/0333 2436 151. Email nawa.city@gmail.com. WhatsApp +9231583191151. Facebook /Nawamas.